Whoa. Hello there. Hi, Emma. Say hi. What? Yeah. Kenny, say hi.
Hi.
This is going on YouTube. Look at this gigantic mess from today. Oh my gosh. Vienna! Whoa! This is the balloon man. He was late.
I arrived precisely when I meant to. I'm going to get you to hold on to this because Chris has requested a balloon from Matt. You'll have to see. You'll have to wait and see.
I think it's just my name. Like, it's just my first and last name.
In balloon?
What?
What? For Matt? Is that what you're saying? Are you trying to guess what I'm making him?
No.
I'm making him your name? Is that what
Hey kids! Looky! Look at this mess over here. And then Minnie Mouse.
The cause for the entire freakout.
Yeah.
The children were crazy.
Angelica's dancing in front of the camera.
Big fat pandas.
It's what?
It's big fat pandas.
Oh, your Kung Fu Panda. Your mom told me about this.
He's obsessed with
Oh my goodness!
that's the one with the...
I feel like that balloon's gonna pop.